we have integral of product of tangent cube and secant 11x dx. Here the power of tangent is an odd number. In that case we save a copy of tangent and secant, okay, in this way. So we have to save a copy of secant and tangent, okay, when we have odd power of tangent, because then we can change. Now what is left? Tangent is square. We can change tangent is square into secant, and derivative of secant is secant tangent. This is already secant. Another way to see this is when we have exponent 3 and 11, we cannot change secant into tangent. We can, but it will be very difficult. So let's not touch secant part. Now we want to change tangent into secant, okay, everything in terms of secant, and we know the derivative of secant is secant tangent. That's why we need to save a copy of secant tangent, okay, whenever we have odd power of tangent. Then tangent is there, so what is left here? Tangent is square. One copy of secant, so we have now secant 10 tangent power 10. Okay, we are trying to convert tangent into secant. Here is the formula. We know, okay, 1 plus tangent is square is secant is square. If we subtract 1 from both sides, we get tangent is square is secant is square minus 1. Okay, so we have now tangent is square is secant is square minus 1 times secant 10, and that will be the derivative of secant. Okay, so we have a function of secant here. Okay, this is a function of secant, and derivative of secant is secant times tangent. That will be the derivative part, and we can use power rule. Okay, so let u be secant, then let's find the derivative. Du differential is derivative of secant is secant tangent with respect to x. Then this integral becomes u square minus 1 times u to the 10, and secant x tangent x dx is just simply du. Okay, this thing is collectively du from here. Now is the time, so we need to distribute u10 u square u12 minus u10 1 u10 du. Now integrate using power rule. Antiderivative of u square is u12 plus 1 over same thing minus u11 over 11 plus c. Back substitute the value of u, we have the answer. This is 113 u to the 13. U is secant, so secant 13 minus 1 over 11 u to the 11, that's secant 11 plus c. That's fine.